kung merong nangyari, let's say may nangyari sa ating Vice President, maaaring ito yung simula ng kaguluhan. No? Because of yung salaysay na rin na binanggit niya na kung may mangyari sa kanya, no, meron po siyang mga actions na gagawin against the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House. So, ayaw natin mangyari yun na baka masingitan tayo. Baka meron yung mga ibang grupo dyan, no? Di ba? Na may gawin sa ating Vice President para mapagbintangan kung sino man. And then, that could cause chaos. So, we will not allow that. We will not allow that. Kaya puprotektahan pa rin natin ang ating Vice Presidente. Now, when it comes to our political inclinations, we recognize that all of us have our own political opinions, political inclinations. We respect that. No, we respect that. Pero habang suot-suot po natin yung ating uniforme, ay kailangan sundin natin yung saligang batas at protektahan natin ang ating bansa. So we cannot just air our grievances just freely being members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Kung gusto po natin gawin yun, mag-resign na lang tayo, di ba? Hubarin natin yung uniforme natin, and then that's the time you're free to do whatever you want to do. So, as members of the Senior Enlisted Personnel Corps of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I am calling out to you to reach out to our soldiers hanggang po sa mga private, even sa mga trainees natin, para ma-explain natin yun. Explain natin ng maigi sa kanila. Again, malaki po yung respeto ng ating taong bayan sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. They are depending on us to maintain the peace and the security of our country. Let us not fail them. Let us not fail them. So may tasking kasi tayo, may mission tayo para sa ating bayan. So let that be clear to all of us. Okay ba yun?
Yes, sir!
Thank you very much.